Hi, my name's Rachel. I'm the homegrown gardener, and today I'm at the garden centre. We've just completed our gardening workshop. We replanted an Iroxa plant. It's got little pretty orange flowers on, and now there's a Q&A session going on with the staff here at Dubai Garden Centre. So it was just 25 dirhams to come down and participate in the workshop. We got our plant that we get to take home with us, and also the opportunity to speak to the staff and ask all of your questions. So highly recommend coming down and attending one of the workshops. This is my lovely Iroxa plant that we repotted. So when we started today, they were in these little black pots, and we have replanted them into these round pots. The staff have told me that this is a plant that does well outside, and that it's really quite hardy. So I've not grown one of these before, but I'm excited to, as always, have a new plant in my garden.